Okay, yet another way to draw a bunny. Gonna start with the head. And just diving straight with my Sharpie. Slightly more realistic version, but pretty easy to draw. Like, doesn't take long to draw. This Sharpie is running out of ink, which is actually working pretty well for this drawing because it creates a fuzzy. That kind of fuzzy, effect very easily. Switch to a thinner Sharpie for the eyes. Okay. Bring back to my old Sharpie, and maybe I'll just. At this point, most of the drawing is done. I'll lightly add some shading and fur. This was requested by one of my subscribers. So thank you for watching, and thank you for your suggestion. I have a lot of bunny drawings in my channel, so feel free to check them out too. Doing some shading here and there. Maybe I'll increase this. And that's it. I think we're done in terms of quick line drawing of a bunny. This part here you can draw a little bit lighter. But this is yet another way of drawing a pretty realistic bunny, as you can tell, extremely quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!